Hi guys, we're restarting the Leicester career because I forgot about it. So we're doing the rest of the career on FM26. Sorry. Leicester are set to appoint King Harrigan. Leicester are reportedly set to hire 18-year-old. I'm 19, but sure. Set to bring a tactical focus to King Power Stadium event, attacking a 10 and excited to develop young talent. Promise figure, but rubbish. Club profile. Obviously King Power Stadium, professional, loves the club, the owner. State-of-the-art training, state-of-the-art youth, very good. Secure, taking football, entertaining football, possession football, develop players using club's youth system, play entertaining football, develop players using club's youth system, play direct football. So basically, things I'm already going to do anyway. The opposite is 16th, which is mad to me. XI, pretty decent. Dakar, I'll probably look at that when we get into the career. Really quickly. Let's just get into it. Let me save that. Ole, 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 ole. Okay. Don't like the screen. Okay, it's great to have you here. Leicester, we'll meet various people. Yeah, blah, 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 rubbish. So Leicester, press officer Jamie. Nice. Immaculate stadium, state of the art. Average corporate. What's it? Win promotion to. Excuse me? The fuck? No. I mean, I can't really negotiate. They're gonna cry if I negotiate. Oh, I don't want to do this introduction thingy, bro. Right, tactics. Gegenpress. Yes. Go with the 4-2-3-1. Unless we have two strikers. I might change that. If we have two strikers, I can actually use the 4-4-2 DM. If there's two strikers I can actually use, which I don't think we have two strikers. I can't check right now. It's too long. This, don't care. This, I know who they are. Yeah, Sure. Great. Squad. That's all we need to look at. Sorry. This is 73 assigned. What are we doing here, bro? 73? What? Oh, we're 32 senior. Okay, I was about to say. How many keepers do we have? Jesus Christ. We have 4 keepers. For what? For what way? We can get rid of him. That's for sure. Let's just say unspecified for now. Yeah, hopefully he leaves. Between these two, he's the better one. Get rid of this guy as well. Got about 2 mil. Good. $2 mil. Say how much is he worth? 4.2. We'll start off at 4.2 then. Export offers until 4 weeks. 4.2. Let's list him. We just don't need him. We don't need that many goalkeepers. That's stupid. Could try and get rid of Vestergaard. 32. I do want to get rid of AU. He's a great player, but like, yeah, we can definitely get a lot of money for him. So, offer for 6.2. 6.25 is fine. Cancel list. Explore offers until 4 weeks. There we go. Who else needs to go? This guy could probably leave. Yeah, gone for free, but you know he's worth a bit of money. I'm trying to get rid of him, especially with 6 million as well. It's mad. Yeah, 6 million. Transfer list, explore offers until 4 weeks. They actually have quite a younger team, to be fair. It's the Luca guy, looks great. Let's look at stats. If it didn't lag out, it's 18. Technical's a bit mid, but it's got good aggression, it's got good concentration, got good determination, work rate, good tackling, amazing physicals. Might not be that good. Ben Nelson. Yeah, he looks great as Ben Nelson guy. Who else needs to go really? Maybe Vestergaard. To go to. Bit old. Get 4.7 out of him maybe. Wait. What? What's this? What's that? Offer. 4.7 million. So let's go to 5. Let's cut it down to 5. 4.7. Transfer list. Export offers for the next 4 weeks. Please. Thank you. That's that done. Recruitment focuses. I think I actually have a few in my what is well? Quite expensive. How much money do we have? Let's check. 5 million available. 20k wages. Try to cut that down a little bit, but I don't think we're going to get much out of that. Could try and look for some free agents actually. No. 700k, but he's 2.5 stars. He's not really worth that much. Yeah, it's a bit expensive. A bit expensive. 1 million. Yeah, let's scam out fully. Yeah. Let's fight scam as well. I wouldn't mind buying him. Sky him too. I know this guy's really expensive. There's like no money at this club. Yeah, Sky him too. Could be useful to the club. 3.2 million. Yeah. Forson's a good player. A player that I actually would want to get. Maybe bring in someone like Davies. Could be useful if we get one on cheap. Cool. I'm going to change that to... No. Let's start off. There it is. Yeah, responsibilities. I want to take over. It's going. Me. Yeah. I'm scout the player, add them to shortlist for however long until extensive knowledge. Yes. Now we want to recruit a recruitment focus. Oh yeah, recruitment focus for you free players. What we're going to do is remove all these because these are all stupid and it's just like, what are we doing here? Unless we get like really cheap players. Nope. No. Quite a few in England. None of them very cheap. Honestly, get rid of it. 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 And get rid of it. Get rid of it. Cool, they're all done. Oh, I don't want to do that, so that. Yeah, they're all done. I need to make some new focuses. 3. Minimum ability of 2 stars. Max. We'll go 2.5. Or 1, yeah, 2.5 maybe. Or 3 maybe. 3.5. Ages, max 27. Continent of just like the entirety of Europe. Let's make this free Europe. There we go, free Europe. Top, standard, ongoing. I think we need to make this on top. Crazy amount of scouts. He's just English anyway, so you can send him off. I like this, we have a lot of scouts. He's just England as well. Confirm. Got free Europe coming out just for free players. Wait, why am I getting all these players then? Oh, okay, I didn't change it, did I? I didn't edit it for free. Sorry, my mistake. No, what is this, bro? Oh man, sometimes I hate. Yeah. Bro, what is this? Stop adding things. Jesus Christ. Create new from progress. Yes. Okay. Free Europe. The reason I want to go Europe as well is just because of the idea that like I kind of you don't want to I want them to have like a work permit kind of thing. So I'm not really worrying about the work permit. Throw a scout there, throw that guy there, fill out details, condition, contract status expired. Let's say, there you go. There you go. Now we make a new one for loan status, listed for loan, loans. Yeah, loans. We're going to go with, we need a very good player. Loan. You know, a top tier player. So we're going to go 3 as well. Go for 25. Any area. Yeah, I think any area is fine. Any area is fine. Top. Something that's different scout that's not doing anything right now. His brother. And then this brother. And there we go. We have our 2 recruitment focuses. Chilling. Is it just present us with a potential code of conduct? Oh, go on then. Yeah, it's fine. Cool. Oh man, I love jumping into a new career. Bro, I don't want this. For Michael Golding. No. You mad? No. What the hell? Stupid. Okay. We're not getting rid of Grey either. Cool. Ole, ole. Ole, ole. Ole, 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 ole. No, we're not doing training, that's boring, no one cares about that. Ah, set pieces. Back post. In-swinger. Outswinger's a bit weird. Yeah, I like hybrid. near post. I think counter attack's probably the best one. There we go. Yeah. Cool. Let's say hello, that was a lot of awful. Oh, Ipswich have got doubts already. Mad. Don't worry, bro. It's good. You'll be alright. Press conference time. Come on. What does it mean for you to begin this opportunity? There's no escaping the scale challenge. I'm eager to scale. I came to work. What made you want to manage Leicester? Potential. Did you ever doubt that this was the right job for you? No reservations. I'm meant to be here. Facilities are fantastic. Yeah, I mean, what challenge you to think you'll face as a young manager? Yeah, no problems. You don't have much of a reputation to speak of, and many people have expressed surprise that you have taken over Leicester as manager. Can a little known manager as yourself really run a club like this? Yeah. Leicester have been on a general downward curve for a little while now. Can you begin things moving? I hope so. Yes, I'm happy with the squad I have. What role can the supporters play? I want fans to take this job very seriously. Where do you see the club heading in the long term? Aim high. How hard do you expect to work players on the training ground? Smart, hard. Will you be looking towards the likes of us or the skippers? For the point, yes. Thank you. Ole, ole. Oh, got some offers for the players we wanted to get rid of. Nice. But they better offer me the real money. I want real money. I don't want rubbish money. Like it's like £2 million for no reason. Liam Breaks loan offer. He's 1.5 star rated. Yeah, you can go. I know. 1.1 mil. When he's literally valued at 6.25. Let's try to squeeze a little bit more out of them. Yeah. Leicester got 4.7 million. Which I think is pretty much what we asked for, right? Yeah. Take him. He's the player on, he's on like 60k a week. Oh, yeah, all select. No, it's a big rich. Not surprised he's 38. Man, this is going to be an insane career. I hope I actually get like quite far in this career. Winning every trophy with Leicester. The rebuild of the rebuilds. Yep, nice. Loan Marchal. Yeah. I mean, honestly, I'll let him go right now. Cool, have him. John A. All offers. They suggest 1.2 mil. I can't really say no to 1.8 mil, especially when he's on 45k a week. Try and get wages down, so we can go put some free players on the list. We don't want to be able to like have no one. Jesus Christ, 8.2 mil, mate. 7k. Are you sure? That can't be right. Is he worth that kind of money? He's got good strength and aggression. I don't know if he's worth that kind of money. He's on a loan list, to be fair. This guy's on a loan list. If we can get him on a loan, and we pay it nothing. There you go. Right, let's go to the match. Let's just quick pick these random guys. Don't really care. Let's watch against who? Hamilton. Oh, I didn't start. Sorry, guys. This is I'm expecting a 10-0 win here against Hamilton. If we don't win a 10-0, then I'm going to be super disappointed in the team. Oosh. Yeah. It took a while, I don't know why it took so long. Usually it doesn't take that long. Right, let's just go out there. Places up for grabs. Press me. Against a rubbish team. Like, come on now. Here we go. No, we should go very attacking. What are we doing here? Balanced. Bullshit. We've got the ball. Galactus there. Crookston. Oh, good block. No one on attack. Ramsey. To Manga. To James, who loses out on the ball because he's shit. But Chudori's got the ball again. Ramsey. Hey, Chudori. Fatua. Boom. Goal. Easily done. Shaw into box. McKinstry's there. Easily. Manga. Oh, that was a rubbish shot. I feel like the front playing pop at the back. It's mad. They're playing a very attacking formation, to be fair. I might slow it down. It's going way too fast. My poorly wise. Yeah, 1.25 should be good. Yeah, that's better. That's the one I usually put on. Damn, they've scored. Honestly, I don't care about this. That's an instant result. Let's get out of here. We should win by like 25-0. Strangle the game. We should be able to smoke them. I'm bored already. This is not a fun game to watch. Leicester see, yeah, we do see good by Rono. Bah. 4-2, nice. Expected a bit more, to be fair. Oh shit, wait, what's that? $60 million for Adams that go to Ali. Alright then. Nah, boring. Yeah. Suggested squad. Premier Sports Cup. Alright. Top tier players. Top tier players that are young. No. Yeah, it's fine. High school in a loan offer for Marcal. Sure, my broski. Cool. $9 million. I don't think it's worth it. Yeah, I don't think that's worth it. Because, like, what are we going to get for that guy? Nothing really. And we just don't have the money for that. We need cheap players. How do I make inquiries? Could be decent. Yeah, don't try this again. I want to declare interest on him. Yeah. These prices of these players are crazy. We can't afford any of those. Have they told me how much they want? They haven't told me how much they want. Great. Okay, hopefully they tell them how much they want from him. No? No, fair enough. I'm going to delegate training to them. Michael Golding. No. 200k, 275k. No. Because it could be worth more in the future. It's always worth to have 1, 2, 3 like very, very deep squad players. There we go. Let's just get into some result from this. It should be an easy game. Should absolutely batter them. No, we lost 5-3. Okay then. All investigated by the Wolves for a beautiful price of 4.7 million. Fantastic playing for the club. See you later. 800k. Can you not do like? Oh, inquiry. There we go. 100. Yes. I want him. Let's make an offer. Let's make an offer now. Obviously, it's only worth 160k. You don't nuts. 1 million. Straight 1 million. That's it. $1 million too. We'll offer them 1 million as well. We signed him for £4.7 million. 3.2. No take the piss. Don't take the piss. Got lucky there. Thought I was all of them then. That would have been annoying. I'm just gonna offer them I'm gonna offer them 775k. Fuck you. Dickhead. Get him down. No, you're not getting 30% from the next sale. Fucking next sale. 200k. How about I offer you straight up right now 2 million? And then obviously the 200k after the appearances. Cool. I'll land who? The boss for 89 million. Jesus Christ. You can't have the 40% for the next sale. No. Stop trying to do that shit. Give it 2.5. Jesus Christ. Daniel Phillips. Yeah, it could be decent if I was from the 1 mil. Sam Bell. Another £1 million. Bit expensive. A spinner. Bro. Nah, I still got any free players already. I wouldn't mind letting him go. If they give me a good amount of money for him. Yeah, you can have him. What's the other thing that we want to eat this one? Yeah. Two years, 1.8k. Get rid of that. Cool. Yeah. Oh, they made another one. He's upset. Come on. Where's that other one at? Where's that prick one gone? Oh, they just didn't do it. Okay, cool. Great. Sure. Bye. Make part and comment. Compile match reports, please. It's an interesting. Okay, cool. I'm not going to offer you anything crazy, by the way. You're not getting my money from me. You don't deserve it. Oh, I can't be talking to you, fuck you. Okay, Rogan. Fringe player, squad player, set target. Average training rating of 8. There we go. 2 years, 13k, decent. Really decent. That's a really decent contract, actually. Can I get you for another year? Can. Let's go. It's a pretty decent contract. Cheap, I would say. Compared to the normal contracts you get, which is like absolutely insane. 13k is not bad. Should we got rid of the guy that had like 60k wage. Played 45 minutes, got 6.7. First game, don't mind it. Don't mind Golding, dickhead. Okay, so 2.5 million for Davies. Minimum of 8 rating. Cool. 13k again, not bad. Get rid of the weird wage. There we go. He's decent though. I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. I think we've done quite a lot of business in terms of getting rid of players, selling Vestergaard for £4.7 million, getting in some new players, and that is it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe for the next one, and I'll see you in the next episode.